So today we're learning about something called opposite words. Opposite words are words that mean very different things from each other, like this way and that way, completely different. Let's look at some. See this elephant? This elephant is big, really, really big. And this mouse? This mouse is small, really, really small. So big and small are opposites. Now look at this. The sun is out. It is very hot here. And here? Snow everywhere. It is very cold. Hot and cold. Opposites. Look at her face. She's smiling. She feels happy. And him? He's not smiling. He feels sad. Happy and sad are opposites. This rabbit is running. It's moving very, very fast. And this turtle is not fast at all. It's moving very slow. Fast and slow. Opposites. Look how high this giraffe can reach. That's because it's very tall. And this penguin can't reach at all. It's very short. Tall and short. Opposites. This glass has juice all the way to the top. It's full. And this glass has nothing in it. It's empty. Full and empty are opposites. The balloon is going up, higher and higher. And the leaves are coming down, closer and closer to the ground. Up and down. Opposites. This door is open. You can see right through it. And now it's closed. You can't see anything on the other side. Open and closed. Opposites. All right, let's see if you remember. Look at this elephant. Is it big or small? It's big. What about here? Snow is falling. Is it hot or cold? It's cold. And her? Look at her face. Is she happy or sad? She's happy. What about this turtle? Is it fast or slow? It's slow. And this glass? Is it full or empty? It's empty. Nice. So today we learned 8 pairs of opposite words. Big and small. Hot and cold. Happy and sad. Fast and slow, tall and short, full and empty, up and down, open and closed. That's it for today. See you in the next one. Bye.